In the early hours of the 11th of September 2024, at around 1:16 a.m. during a routine mobile patrol, Nongpoh police personnel were alerted to a robbery involving a fish-laden Bolero camper. The vehicle, driven by Abu Sadel, son of Eman Ali, and Dildar Hussain, son of Abdul Kuddus, both residents of Sarruchala in Assam's Morigaon district, were intercepted by a white Alto with registration number AS01FN4202 in the Shangbangla area. The assailants reportedly attacked the victims, stealing their mobile phones and cash. Upon receiving the report, the Nongpoh police immediately launched a search operation. A short time later, an Alto matching the description was spotted near Paham's Aim when Sub-Inspector S.R. Marak and his team chased the vehicle and later intercepted it near the Treasury office. One suspect, identified as Ricky Tangsang, was arrested on the spot, while another suspect, Mustafa Lingdo, managed to flee the scene. Later, with the assistance of the Ribhoi Police Special Team and the CRPF personnel, Mustafa Lingdo, along with two other suspects, was apprehended. A case has been registered at the Nongpoh police station and further investigations are underway. Those arrested include 32-year-old Mustafa Lingdo of Linkadait, Nongpoh in Ribhoi district, 26-year-old Ricky Tangsang from Sajer in Nongpoh, 22-year-old Kirshan Bor Marwin from Mauro, Nongpoh, and 27-year-old Shem Wardri of Umsning proper Ribhoi district. The items seized included one white Bolero without a number plate, one white Alto bearing registration number AS01FN4202, 6 mobile phones, and cash amounting to Rs 6,750. The investigation into the case is ongoing.
Hakini ki arlai banai kila bun hakini ki complaints mangiyo kamtam niki driver ba nya men ki pick up niki truck niki bagi don ki brio ki bawan mangiyon ki ba le robbery ki wan ki pensange kali majong ki show kita nang to bre ba ki to ki mobile ka bisa te halor kata ka district kala simkhya ikani nang ta ngila man naki station ngila pha ba kin le ba ki mobile patrolling te menen kami ka jia punta hi hang ni hajan Shangbangla kadon gui ka pick up ka ba wana Assam kede ka bakit dok ha ka ba mani Samarga te driver pha sange ki wan ar kali ki pen sange ka pick up nang ta ki yo ban assault yo ban show ki driver baru handiman nang ta ki yo ban tu ka bisa ki mobile phone yo ki kita mesti pergi mobile patrolling ki alert ki staff report Nongpoh PS nang ta ke special team ya patrolling baru kan Nongpoh and ni yo ban detain ga kawai ka kali hang ni hajan paham si te hang tu udan we accuse ki mot ban pet we accuse hang tu hi syabat ko teng ki tangsang tu badan lang bat tau Mustafa Lindo yo ban pet te ki abe ki police te kumba adin stengin tai ki yo ban kem yu uli pet ajan ka garage yo ban kem te kumta ro supply badan sa armut badan lam te kita armut ki kerteng ki Kirshan Bor Marwen badu Syam Wajri te kita armut yo ban kem te uniu Ricky Tangsang badu Mustafa ki kidan ka kali ka Alto ka badan ka number plate ka AS01FN4202 te kini armut pada Kirshan Bor Marwen badu Syam Wajri kidan ka white Bolero kata ka bamdan number plate te bro sawon ila syakem te nila ai ki kendon jong ka an kepada bat ka causing hurt ka highway robbery wrongful restraint te kumjuk minta kapor nila yo ka FIR ro nang driver te nin forward iki thana te ngilayo Mustafa udeu bangilayo jingtip udeu breu ba buon ki case register jung Assam ro udeu habitual offender hi mamlin mantu de kagara jung mentang nginang ong mantoket mangimpet ki bon ha ki bike ki kali Assam ki bani yo i ha to garage tingin dalayo ka custody jung nin sa pek ban le ba ka search tingin suspect ba ki lapndi bagi ni ki kali ki batu na Assam nang tu pada bagi si imat ki era ini kali sa Bangladesh. Te kata bro ka jing toket kan sawan bahas kaman. Te menta te kita mutahi bang ila register ke FIR ki tenang ni pada ingin layo ka custody kan saya ka jing toket kaman.